Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Trick App channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone. By default, Facebook Messenger comes with a standard ringtone, but you can customize it to your liking. Here's how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone. First of all, open Messenger on your phone, and from there you need to head over to these three lines on the top left side of your screen. When you click on that, here you have this settings icon. Click on that, and if you scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see that under orders we have notifications and sounds option. When you click on that, in here you have ringtones in the very second place, and from here you can select anything that you like. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Facebook Messenger ringtone. The next time you receive a message, you'll hear a new ringtone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.